Back in the Coliseum, the gladiators coming out.
Let me see what you got. Come on. Come on. Let me see what you got. Let me see what you got. Pump it up. Pump it up. That way. That way. Listen up. Listen up. I can't dance. Enjoy the game, okay? Have fun, let me have five. There you go. Make him miss, Nelly.
He leaps. He's in.
Hey, good job of sticking y'all's foot in the ground and hitting holes. That's awesome.
Hey, we're riding with you guys.
I don't want to hear nobody talking. Show me. Let's go.
Did I smash that running back? Did I smash him? Did I smash him?
We're coming. We're coming. We're coming. We're coming.
Here it comes. The pocket collapses, and he's sacked at midfield.
You're not that quick.
I know.
I could make that block. Won't you? Not you. You got hands like feet, boy.
Hands from there. Lost the football, and the Vikings have recovered.
We're going to get it back. Let's go.
The ball ricocheted. It's intercepted by Navarro Bowman.
He broke it.
And a one-arm tackle. The ball comes out. It's recovered by the Jaguars.
Don't worry about it.
Breeze again. Hit from behind, and the ball pops up.
Hey, we get back down there again, we got to score on defense.
The ball's out. The ball's out. It's picked up by the Jaguars. They're running it toward the goal line. That's going to be a touchdown. The defense is scored again.
Let's do what we do in practice. Let's not do something else. Just gotta throw it up. Throw it up. Hey.
Throw the ball up. We gonna go get it.
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. I got you.
It is caught. Oh my goodness! Inside the 10. Are you kidding me? Marvin Jones went up between two defenders, made the catch, took it to the house. Touchdown, Detroit Lions.
Blood him. Not egg. Not bread. Blood him.
He's got a lane. He's at the 30. He's at the 20. He's at the 15, the 10, the 5. The fumbles the football into the end zone. Touchdown. All day. Flings one back in the end zone. It is caught. Touchdown. 6 seconds to go. Cardinals with a 57-yard try to win the game in regulation.
Don't mess it up, dog. Your team is dependent on you.
Snap a little low, but it's down. The kick from Dawson is up. Does it have the leg? It does. And it's good!
The old guy drilled it, baby. Yeah.
Y'all ready? Turn around, turn around. 1, 2.
They got a little celebration handshake.
You about to go bowling?
I love these team celebrations.
You gotta roll them balls, baby.
Thanksgiving dinner. Yeah, that's what it's eating Thanksgiving dinner.
Not a dancing going on in Philadelphia right now, and why not? They're about to win their 9th in a row.
You did what you needed to do to win a football game. You did some good things on the offense. You did some good things on the defense. You did a great thing on special teams.
And we're not just playing to get in the thing, right? We're not playing to get in the tournament. We're playing to win at home.
That's a great win right there. Talked about starting a little streak of our own. Now we see if we can string another great one against a division opponent going to Arizona, trying to get to our 9th win. Give me a woo if you're with me.